Oh, good morning, my dear students. Today, on this 8th of November 2024, I wanted to build one power controller for my next level of winding machine. So, the first question, what I am giving you, the first challenge. See, here is a power controller. Okay, I wanted to place it here, and also I want to make sure at what voltage, at what current my machine is working. So I have many more power controllers like this. Okay, so that's why I have a meter here. I just want to see the voltage and amperes. So there's digital meter. So this is a box I just found from local stores. So I'm trying to integrate this particular controller into this box, uh, you know, trying to install this particular digital meter inside. You see how I'm trying to figure it out. So here I'm going to put a potentiometer, and also I'll try to do all these connections for that winding machine, and I'll make another video onto that. But now my today's challenge for all of you is how I have installed this meter into this box, how I made the rectangular hole to the box, whatever I got from the local market. So how I made exact using a vernier calipers, it is the digital vernier calipers, what we use in our tinkering labs. So I have measured that length and width, both of them, L into B, and I found them that is 45 mm by 26 mm. Hole I need to make onto this plastic box. So the challenge for all of you, how I made it. Okay, so that you can see how nicely this meter went into that, as if it is made in some companies, right? But of course it is on my workbench. You see, this is my workbench. So this is the way you need to understand how your mentor has did, what techniques he might have used to make it such a perfect fit into this. Okay, so that he is integrating, the meter will come here and a potentiometer will come here and some connectors will come there and there, and finally after making this entire power controller, then I will show you how I am putting it into my winding machine and all that. So my today's challenge for all of you, how I made the exact rectangular hole to this plastic box, and nicely how I install the meter into this is a challenge. You think about it, and then if you are interested, then ask me. I will give you these parts and then tools, and then you can try making it and show me. Okay, this is how you need to gain the skills. So Skill India at School India. Happy tinkering, keep innovating. Signing off, your Tinkering Srinivas from scientificstudents.com. Okay, my dear mentees, now what I did, as you already know that I have given one challenge, that how I made a hole to this cabinet to keep my volt ampere meter. That's one challenge earlier I have given to you. Now you see, I just wanted to show you. See, I have installed one potentiometer so that I can change the voltage to my winding machine. Okay, and also I have installed one switch. Okay, see how nicely I have installed one switch also, so that I can control the power, right? See how I am integrating one by one slowly, and then finally I'll show you how nicely I'll make it a product, like a well designed, computer designed products. So this is called tinkering. Tinkering is all about planning and connecting ideation to the prototype. Okay, I'll show you today why I have made this power controller, and how I have integrated. And then once I complete this power controller, and then how I'm going to connect this power controller to my winding machine so that you all can make wonderful electric coils to prepare electromagnets or mutual inductance, whatnot. Many electrical concepts will go very nicely. Okay. So okay, then see, I brought one commercial one, but this is not up to that rating. It is not perfectly reliably working. I mean, it's working, but it's low ampere one. I want high ampere one, so I'm designing this. Okay then. I'll show you again later once I complete this design. Bye bye. My dear tinkers, yes, on this 8th November 2024, finally I am successful in building this power controller. You see my tinkering? So I have connected my ideas into the power source and then circuits and then wiring and the motors and checked up everything, how to measure the current, how to measure the voltage, all these things. You see, I have tinkered many things. Okay, now I'm going to close everything because now the testing process is totally completed. Load test and all I have done. So once I close everything and keep the wiring and all clean inside the cabinet, and then finally I will show you the final controller in the evening. And tomorrow I'm going to use it for connecting to my winding machine. Then you will understand why is that I have tinkered this. Okay then, happy tinkering, keep innovating. Bye bye.